Hey guys, I bought myself my first Truckster when I first bought my property, and I gotta tell you, these things come in handy. It's got a dump station, bed basically with a hydraulic. Works amazing. You control that right here. That's your hydraulic. I'm not quite sure what this one is for or this one. I think you lock the bed in place, but mine is stuck. So I don't know if you guys have any tips on how to unstick it, because this thing is pretty stiff. Yeah, it's not going anywhere. I did have a question for you guys because I'm having trouble with the accelerator. I just want to shoot this video for future reference if anybody. By the way, I have to get new seats, so if you guys know where I can get new seats, let me know. I'm using these covers from Costco that appear to be working fairly decently. But you can see the back is all damaged. All right, so all that white stuff is basically grease. I was trying to grease it, thinking that would help, but it doesn't. My accelerator works. It's just that I was toying around with it, trying to adjust it to not be so loud because it gets stuck. So I think I have to clean up all the junk in here, is my guess, because there's a lot of grime and dirt from obvious moves. But if you guys have a method of how to adjust the acceleration, that'd be amazing. I saw a video of a guy replacing the fan here, as he calls it, the radiator. That was pretty funny. But I didn't really see anybody work on the acceleration portion of this. And so I think I called the golf company, and a lot of these guys don't want to deal with used 2003s. This is a 2003, I believe. So if you have any suggestions on how to calibrate those, that'd be amazing. Also the seats, and preferably, if I could, get myself a cover, that'd be awesome too, because I like to have some shade cover. But yeah, this thing is pretty good shape. I did change the tires to off-road because I have a lot of hills here. Mine's not 4x4. I wish it was, but it actually gives it a really cool look. I haven't done the back ones yet, but yeah, these Trucksters are workhorses. I've been using it basically taking my trash down to the bottom of the hill. So as you can see, I have a lot of trails and a lot of hills. There's my dumpster down there. So if you guys have any tips on mine, on that acceleration, that would be amazing. I didn't see videos that had a spring, but this one does have a spring here. It looks like it was aftermarket spring. This guy here and this wire that I'm not sure what they were doing with it. So a lot of jerry rig that was done to this thing. So I'm just trying to put it back to working order where I have enough power to go up the hill, because at the moment I don't. And of course, using the levers for acceleration doesn't really make a difference, at least for not this part. And this one, all it does is move the pedal, but not by much. So the acceleration is there, it just needs to be adjusted. All right, any tips would be amazing. Thanks, guys.